Welcome to Brain Vision.
The steel cylinder is replaced by a steel tube. The outer radius is equals to 3.5 centimeter and the inner radius is 1.5 centimeter. If the compressive force is equals to 5000 Newton, then by what amount the tube is compressed? A tube has less area as compared to the tube over which the compressive force works. The compressive force per unit area is equals to Young's modulus multiplied by the strain. Here del L is the change in length and L naught is the original length. Finding here the value for R1 in meter is 0.035 and R2 is 0.015 meter. The original length L naught is equals to 11 centimeter, which is 0.11 meter. Now finding the del L value, which is equals to F L naught by YA. Here area is equals to pi R1 square minus R2 square. Substituting this, the change in length expression will become F L naught by pi Y into R1 square minus R2 square. Substituting the values, here compressive force is 5000 Newton multiplied by 0.11 meter divide pi into Young's modulus is 2.0 into 10 raised to the power 11 Pascal multiplied by 0.035 whole square minus 0.015 whole square. This will be the change in length of the steel tube when compressed is 8.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 meter.